DeLonghi ESAM3300 Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine. The beautiful DeLonghi ESAM3300 Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine allows individuals to serve up full-flavored espresso, coffee, cappuccino, latte drinks, and much more. For the freshest coffee, the machine grinds the beans just before brewing them, although individuals can purchase pre-ground coffee if desired. Any size milk container will fit for convenience, and the coffee spigot height can be adjusted as well. The grind options include fineness settings, so coffee can be as strong or as weak as you want it, and there's a no waiting system between the espresso and cappuccino with the double boiler system. With the patented boiler, the DeLonghi ESAM3300 Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine ensures even heating, so each espresso is the perfect temperature every time. Some of the features of this coffee machine include 1,150 watts of power, beautiful silver color, 7.5 cups of capacity, built-in tamper, removable water tank, grinder, cup warming plate, automatic. The machine comes with a 1-year warranty, so customers are ensured of satisfaction. The majority of customers who purchase the DeLonghi ESAM3300 are very happy with the performance, although a few mention that the machine is loud. However, it is an espresso machine, and most typically are slightly loud. Overall, this is a great machine that users will enjoy for many years to come. Based on customer reviews, we would wholly recommend this machine for those who want fresh, delicious coffee and espresso at home.